Hi, I'm Tia and I'm from Mackay, and welcome to my room. My room is one of Emmanuel College's standard rooms in the residential block of Merrington. Here, our rooms come with double beds and easy access charging ports where I can charge my phone, laptop and iPad. Our rooms also come with small fridges where everyone likes to keep snacks and drinks. And here we have my desk, which I really like to study at, providing lots of space to put my laptop, notes and binders. I also love the over the desk storage where I like to hang photos and keep other belongings. I also like that we have whiteboards where I can keep notes and keep track of my day. I really appreciate the storage our rooms offer, providing a lot of hanging space. Another storage space in our room, which is really convenient, is the under the bed drawers, where I like to keep shoes and handbags. My favourite feature about our residential room is the view of from my room, where I get to see the stained glass window from the chapel at night. Thanks for coming along for my room tour.